Good morning, everybody. Another day of fishing, day 2. First things first, I gotta just do a shout out to all those committed fishermen, because around my area the rivers are still all blown out, so I'm having to travel a couple hours away, and we're meeting there at 5:30, so I had to get up at 2:30. Holy cow, that's a commitment. So I'm pretty new at fishing, and I know a lot of you guys just do this just because, you know, it's so much fun, and the time that you have with each other, with your friends, and all the memories you make, and that's why you do it, and are able to get up this early on a weekend to go out and fish. So you guys are tough. I'm trying to get there because I'm still new at fishing, but like hopefully one day I can be as tough as you guys are, because I don't know if I can do this every weekend. So anyways, getting in the truck, gonna shoot up the freeway a couple hours. Can't tell you guys where we're going or what river I'm going to. I gotta respect a lot of the people that are gonna be out on the river with us. Some people I think don't want you guys to know like where all the fishing spots are, where people go to go fishing, just to keep it more private for them. So I'm gonna respect that and just never say kind of what river I'm on or what hole I'm in or anything like that, but it just is what it is. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy today. I know I will. I'll do another video on the way up, and then yeah, see you guys when I get there. Oh, and great news, got my first part for my truck. Check this out. Get the spotlight to turn on. There we go. Hey, ZF6. Only kicker is I gotta take this to where I'm going, and I gotta do that in my garage. So might be kind of entertaining, so I figured I'd just put it on video in case something funny happens. So anyways, I'm gonna unload this real quick and then I'll get going. What's up, everybody? Getting to the ramp, back in the raft in. Still obviously really dark out, but it's just kind of, this is the ramp for you guys see. No, you can't really see, but that's the ramp we're going down. And yeah, hoping for some good fishing. Buddy Andrew was out yesterday, didn't see very many fish, but hopefully today we get lucky and we can get one. So all right, well, I'll get you guys back on and once it lightens up a little bit, so I don't have to use flashlights. Sorry. I
can't believe that box tipped over inside there.
Nah, we'll clean it out later.
No, I won't.
No?
Deal with that next month. I'd like to think that I would clean it out, but more likelihood it's never done. Especially when we fish tomorrow. Boom.
I'm waiting for our buddy to come anchor next to us again.
Oh, fucking. I do with Orange time. You get one fucking freebie because you're old and you got like a grandson with you or some shit. I don't fucking know.
Yeah. That guy's just like looking out at the water.
Yeah, I know. Like, Grandpa, what the fuck did you just do?
Yeah.
I mean, he may not know anything about fishing, but he's probably thinking, huh, there's something right.
Yeah.
Like going camping, you got the whole fucking campground to park. You fucking pick a spot, and you pick a spot right next to the only person in the campground.
Yeah.
They're like,
What
the fuck are you doing?
Are you afraid of being alone, or
Do we know you?
are you? Who is this guy?
It's always spot left. It's always spot left. But bro, you had to get full river.
Yeah.
I need for up there.
It is bottom.
Alright, give him 4 more. Yeah, I like doing a good hunt.
Oh, really? How is hunting over there? Is it amazing?
It's just like everywhere else. It used to be better than it is now.
Yeah.
This area where it's just been so mismanaged. And then the fact that they're fucking,
To Colorado?
yeah, they just took 10 wheels from fucking Logan.
Wow.
And see the video of them releasing them. All these biologists and everything are just standing there, and not one of them dudes looks fucking. They all look like they're gonna throw up. And the only one smiling is the governor. And if you dig into the governor, he's fucking gay, and his boyfriend is some fucking big PETA animal rights activist, fucking blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
So he goes, you know, all animals should be fucking.
Well, we made it down to the takeout. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful weather. Quite a few people on the river. We did see a fish get caught. It was a guy off the bank. Not sure what he caught it on, but try again next time. Like and subscribe. and look forward to doing this again, guys. See ya. Gotta love Portland traffic. What's up, guys? Almost back to Brownsville. So we didn't catch fish today, so I think what I want to do is I'm going to set up a different GoPro mount and see if I can get something a little different going, and then go out and test it and make sure it withstands the beating that happens to it on jet boat trips. And so yeah, add a little excitement to the end of the video. For those of you who watch it to the end, we'll get a little jet boat at the end. So all right, see you again soon. Well, guys, that concludes today for me. I'm tired, gotta get some food. Hope you enjoyed the little ride, and look forward to doing this again next weekend. Tomorrow we'll be doing epoxy table stuff, so I'll be breaking the epoxy table out of the mold, so